This company, Carabc, contacted me because they saw some of my videos with F150 and they said, hey, would you like to try this out? So this apparently is a system that brings my 8-inch screen up to a 12-inch screen in my truck. So let's have a look at see what they sent us. So first they give us some instructions. The instructions actually look pretty good, and pictures and everything to show you exactly what to do to install this. Remember, I'm going to be installing this as a complete. I've never ever done this before. I mean, I've done other stuff on cars, but I've never messed with the audio systems or anything like that. So it looks pretty straightforward. In the box. Ooh. That's impressive. Yeah, that's a pretty impressive unit there. It's got everything I think we're going to need for sure, including new vents. I'm assuming because this screen is so large that the current trim and stuff on the truck would require cutting into or making some modifications. So I'm glad I don't have to make any modifications. So that looks cool. What else do we have? Okay, so trim pieces that presumably go down the sides there to replace what you've got, because that is a different size centerpiece. That's good. Looks well engineered. That is the bag here. Okay, yeah, so I have looked at some of the other videos and things that are online from the company, and so new brackets that you have to mount your stuff to, and it's got some protective material there for what I assume are electronic components. Full wiring harness, so we don't have to do any rewiring. This is just literally unplug stuff and plug stuff back in. Good. Well, that's handy. So they've given you the actual tools to pop out the trim pieces of your truck. So if you don't have those, they give them to you, so that's great. That's definitely handy. Some more screws. Different screws that you're going to need for installation. Different plates and things like that. I think it's because these trucks come with different options. Yeah, that would be for like four-wheel drive selector. Great. And two different plates here for if you have manual air conditioning, dual, or the automatic, which have a different cutout. Good. Looks to be complete. So it looks to be a complete setup. It's got everything you're going to need, I'm assuming. And from the couple of videos that I've seen from the company about installation, it looks very straightforward. I'm going to have a separate video for that. But so far, it's well engineered. Looks like really good quality, actually. And yeah, I wouldn't be afraid to put this in my truck. What I like about this system is it's not a whole new head unit. You're not dealing with some kind of sketchy sort of unknown electronics for your system. It's still the Sync 3 system. It uses the Sync 3 system that you already have, or 3.4 in my case is what it needs to be upgraded to. So everything should work normally with the truck. There's not going to be any weird, odd electronics changing things on the truck or anything. It's using the same electronics. The only real difference here is the screen itself. So my next video, I'm going to be installing this, and I'll let you know what that experience is like.